So today we are going to crochet this little flower, so we're going to need pink yarn, scissors and a hook. Here is the yarn tail. Leave a little bit of 10 centimeters, maybe like that, and then while holding it, place it over your thumb, then over your index finger, and hold both strands together. Now place your hook under the yarn and turn it counterclockwise, like that. Then, trying to not untwist your loop, grab it, then with the hook grab the yarn and pull it through the loop, like that. Pull it tightly and now you have a knot. So first thing, for the flower we need to crochet 5 chain. So first chain, just grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. And here is the first chain, 4 more times. So grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So insert the hook into the last one, like that, just into 1/2. Then grab the yarn, pull it through and pull it through the loop on your hook. And here you've got a circle. Here is its middle. Now let's make first petal. For that you'll need to make 5 chains again. So grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. First chain. Grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Second chain. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to make a slip stitch. For that, insert the hook into the middle of the circle. Grab your yarn and pull it through, then pull it through the loop on the hook. That was a slip stitch. Now you can see that a tail might get into your way, so just place it on the back. Okay, now we can continue. So second petal is done absolutely the same, so do 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then find the middle of the circle, insert a hook in it, grab your yarn, pull it through the circle and then through the loop on the hook. Here we've got 2 petals and we need to make 3 more like that, so it's 5 petals in total. And here is how the flower looks like. There are 5 petals. I'll just pull a little bit this so so I can show you. So let's count from the last petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 5. And now let's complete the work. So now crochet 2 more chains. 1, 2. Pull up a loop a little bit and get rid of the hook. Grab your scissors and cut the strand somewhere like there. Leave a little tail. That's it. Now you can pull out the strand and pull the loops tightly so you don't see them almost. And here is the little flower, made only out of chains. So my flower has a really long end here, and it's okay. Leave both ends like that, we'll need them later.